All right, folks, here we are at European Motors in Cedar Rapids. Got a fresh local trade. This is a one family owner. Carfax is going to show it's a two owner car, but this is a one family owned vehicle. This was actually traded in on another Kia that we happen to have. He just wanted to go a little bit different route. But this is a 2018 Kia Sportage LX. Now this is a two-wheel drive, front wheel drive. Susie, you've been researching a lot about these. What kind of comes on an LX? I see it says FE on the back. What comes on the LX?
Well, this particular one has a Bluetooth phone, satellite radio, cruise control.
Just kind of the normal,
yeah,
with Bluetooth and whatnot.
Yep.
I like the interior in this. This is a non-smoker vehicle. I really like this interior. This is a cloth. I don't know if that's showing up in the camera or not. Sometimes cloth is kind of hard to tell if it's leather or whatnot, but this is cloth. They do a nice job detailing these out. Of course, there's all your hands-free phone and everything right on the steering wheel. So, you know, not super loaded by any stretch. This has the 2.4 four-cylinder engine, but you know, it's going to get you good economy. And then what's the factory warranty on this?
It is a 5-year, 60,000 mile. That's their full factory, and then it also has a 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty.
A really good warranty, really good tires on it. In fact, those look,
yeah,
he must have replaced those.
He did just recently, yes.
Yeah, those
and
are brand.
He recently did an oil change also.
Yeah, so freshly serviced and with 4 new tires. Those are good years on all 4 corners. Man, it smells like a brand new car in here. Books in the glove box. So kind of basic transportation, I guess, but you know, nice size. Ton of warranty, and this is gonna be less than 20 grand. So a lot of car here for less than 20 grand these days. Let's take it for a spin. Well, I guess we didn't touch on the miles, but yeah, let's fire it up and 44,930 miles. 44,930 is what we're showing right there. Of course, no check engine lights on or anything. And again, you do have full factory warranty on it. You got aux and USB and nice backup camera.
Yeah.
Do you happen to see what the EPA rated this on the window sticker?
They did it at 30 on the highway, and I believe it was low to mid 20s in town.
I better get my seatbelt on, it's telling me. That's really good actually for something this size. I mean, it's a nice size vehicle.
Get in the left lane. It looks like somebody lost some debris here out of their truck. Nice and quiet in here.
It is nice and quiet. There's no weird suspension noises or anything going on. No frills, you know, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, stuff like that. Of course, AC, kind of everything you need and nothing you don't. Makes somebody a great vehicle if they're just kind of looking for a basic transportation.
With a lot of warranty, a lot of just not worrying about it, just getting in and driving for a lot of miles.
thing is, it being front wheel drive, you know, honestly, they get around just fine in the snow if you kind of use some common sense, and they get a lot better gas mileage than something that's all-wheel drive. So if you're looking for economy and you don't necessarily need, you know, off-road performance, this might be the car for you. That guy's got some antennas on that Chevy right there, doesn't he? I think you can talk to Mars with that thing. All right, we'll run it down the ramp. I'll get it up to highway cruising speed here, and it's about half pedal, so it's got plenty of pickup. We're already 60 miles an hour. That's 65. You can see we got no pulsation. Nice fresh Goodyears on it. Balanced out. And there's braking. Brakes nice and straight. There's no pulsations under braking. So nice little Kia, ready to go for less than 20 grand, only 44,000 miles. Remember, this is a one family owned vehicle, clean Carfax, clean title, no stories. It smells nice and clean in here, and it is nice and clean in here. Really good looking interior, nice color combination, brand new tires. European Motors, Iowa, come see us. We're right on the northeast side of Cedar Rapids off Interstate I-380. And we can ship anywhere in the lower 48 if you'd like that service. By all means, give us a call. 319-393-8496. EuropeanMotorsIowa.com is our website. Thanks so much for watching.